Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's been a while. If you can't tell, I've been a little busy. Had to do that whole build a time machine, go back in time, grab my high school self. You know, I'm 13 again. So, I mean, that was successful. But man, have we fallen behind on music. Like a lot of music.
So much shit has dropped within a month.
Well, and this is what I've been saying this all year, is that this is going to be a great year for metal. This has been highly requested, more than anything. Like this and Ginger. Ginger's just been hard to not listen to for us. But so many comments and requests to the Hellfire from Lorna Shore. I have seen thumbnails for other reactions to this about it being the most ridiculous breakdown, one of the heaviest breakdowns of the year. Now, people say that, but I don't think enough people listen to Distant. So my expectations are about here. You know, like middle of the road. But fuck it, Reese. Let's listen to a song for the first time in a month.
Definitely not the first time in a month, but
Well, you know what I mean. Recorded.
fancy start.
To the Hellfire. That's where my beard went. Very melodic. That's a black metal screams going on.
Yes. Very black metal.
Man, those lows are nasty. Good lord. That poor drummer.
I'm getting Devil Oof vibes.
Little bit. This is way better than the other song we heard.
Is this the same band?
Right? Damn. Heavy? Yes. Heaviest song of the year? No. Good, though. Way better than the last song we checked out. Man put some bass in his voice. That fucking drum work in this song is awesome.
That background melodic. It really kind of sells it. It sets the vibe for the whole song.
Thought we were getting to big breakdown.
No, just fire.
Just fire. Fire and brimstone.
It goes with the song.
This song's all over the place. I like it. Okay, here we fucking go. Oh, I want to hit stuff. Really? It was short. Those vocals have some massive sound to them, though.
That's gotta be the rhythm guitar in the background with an effect on it, right? Or am I missing something? What is that in the background?
He could have an octave effect on it to make it sound like a synth.
That's what it sounds like.
Ending? Or do we get breakdown too? Are they doing a distant? We get double breakdown? This is double breakdown. No, solo time.
Give the drummer a break.
That poor man. That is an insanely clean lead tone.
The other guitars is over there, just binary.
Oh. Yes. Who invited the fucking velociraptors? What the fuck was that noise?
Not something that I want to hear in the middle of the night.
That was terrifying. Yeah, I can have a 240 nods. If I hear that fucking sound,
Well, bye.
I quit. What the fuck?
It's been nice knowing you. Goodbye.
What was that noise?
That was the angriest pig noise I have ever heard. That takes pig squeal to like 60 new levels.
I don't even know. That's a new scream.
Like,
he's developed a new thing.
They-
Can we roll that back? Can we hear that again? Go. I gotta hear it again. This is the last, what, 20 seconds of the track?
Gone.
That's amazing.
Nope, I'm gone. Bye.
I want to know how you even fucking make that noise. What is the process to getting there?
Terrify everybody.
I'm not gonna lie. That was awesome.
I might make that into a soundbite.
That's gonna be a soundbite. I'm gonna need that soundbite. Now we have to get to the brass tacks. Is it good? Absolutely. That song is way better than the last one we heard from them.
I have issues
Heaviest
with it,
song of the year, though?
No, absolutely not.
No, not even close. I still think Cryogenesis is way above it in heaviness. I don't think you can out heavy Distant right now. You just can't.
They did do some Distant things.
Yes,
The
yes, they had a
vocals-
lot of tempo changes and the vocal changes.
The vocals were black metal and then Distant heavy and then whatever the hell it was at the end. They did a Distant double breakdown.
Yeah, sure.
Other people might have done double breakdowns, but I'm just gonna
Right, and
attribute
they might
that
do this
to
in other tracks, but
Distant. This wasn't the same band that we did a reaction to originally.
no, and that's
Might be
the
close.
track down there too in the last row in the YouTube preview. Hover over that. Let me see what that track name was, because I want to go back and Immortal. Yeah, this was nothing like that track.
No,
I enjoyed this a lot more.
I had issues with this, just a little bit. The mix was weird. So you had your guitars and you had your symphonic stuff going on in the back. You had your drums, but when he was doing the black metal vocals, it was so low.
Yeah, it definitely. I could see
hardly
having a
hear
lyric
it. Like
video for it.
I knew I wasn't gonna understand it going in, just because of how he started with black metal. I was like, all right, I'm not gonna get what these lyrics are, right? But it wasn't up there. It was really low and straight. I was like, is there something wrong with my headset? Is it not up all the way? What is it? And then no, the guitars are there, the drums are there, everything's exploding in my ears, and he's just kind of in the background doing his own thing.
Yeah, which is it's interesting because he is front and center
changed.
the entire track.
It changed like midway through the song, and then at the end, his vocals came back up. I don't know if that's because he switched the way he was singing or what.
It could be a stylistic choice. I don't know who did the mix, obviously, but that is probably my one complaint too. But I mean, it very well could be a thing. I might have to look at the actual lyrics to it because
I don't.
Maybe
I
there's
don't
some
know what
context in there.
I heard fuck. That's it. I heard fuck. I don't understand black metal.
Well,
I don't even understand like the heaviest of metalcore, but still.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever been playing with your toy dinosaurs in your room and made a similar noise, let us know down below in the comments. If you have, you might have a career in some serious heavy metal. Until next time, watch some other videos. We're coming back with a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to record the next one. Stay safe. We'll see you there.
It sounded like a pig dying, but it was a really, really big pig.